Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Trendy of Fashion. I hope you all are doing well and doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. Obviously by subscribing it. And if you are new to my channel then make sure you press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get updated with fashion and trend because I make video on fashion and trend always. I am presenting beautiful bob haircut ideas with different bobs. You can choose your favorite one bob according to your personality and choice. Well, I am presenting short bob haircut ideas, long bob haircut ideas, Big Bob haircut ideas, Pixie Bob haircut ideas, Wolf Bob haircut ideas, Laird Bob haircut ideas, Wavy Bob haircut ideas, chin length haircut ideas, shoulder length haircut ideas with bob. I am presenting also short bob and long bob haircut ideas with all ideas with chin length and shoulder length with bangs and without bangs as well and also with fashion color as well. You can see how beautifully girls are carrying these hairstyles. You can select your favorite hairstyle according to your personality because you know yourself than anyone else. These hairstyles will enhance the beauty of your personality as well. No doubt you are beautiful already. Well, all the beautiful girls, ladies, fashionable girls, celebrities, and models are getting these hairstyles with fashion hair color as well and without fashion hair color as well. They mostly go on with fashion color and most of them go on without fashion hair color and with base color as well. It's depend on you which haircut and hair color and hair length you select for yourself according to your personality. I am presenting all the types and length and fashion colors which are going on trending these days in these videos. I hope you like this video. If you do, you can select your favorite one and go to your hairstylist. Just take a screenshot or download the video. If you like, you can also share your idea and haircut with me as well through comment section. It will be my pleasure to make video for you guys according to your choice. Next, because your ideas are really honor to me and my first priority as well. I hope you like the video. If you do, you can appreciate me through comment section and also share this video to your social contacts. Keep watching, keep sharing, and keep supporting the channel and keep supporting me as well. Your support is really honor to me and keep me energetic to make video for you guys according to your choice and make boost to me also. So guys, I will be there in next video with one of your and other favorite topic. Till then, take yourselves. God bless you all and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. I will be there in next video. Till then, take yourselves and like, share and subscribe the channel. Have a great hair day.